In today's video, we are going to discuss the cryptocurrency exchange PancakeSwap. I'm going to show you what it is, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go. All right, so as I mentioned, today we're going to talk about PancakeSwap. It is a cryptocurrency exchange. It has come a long way. It's changed a ton, which is awesome. I'm going to show you a few of the new features. I'm going to show you actually how to swap tokens. So let's jump right in. All right, I get asked all the time, Paul, what is PancakeSwap? This is PancakeSwap, okay? It's an online, like I mentioned, an online cryptocurrency exchange, all right? It's actually pretty simple to use. It can be intimidating. There's a lot of stuff happening, but like I said, it's really, really simple to use, and I'm going to show you its basic feature, the swap, okay? The exchange, how to swap your tokens, all right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap on PancakeSwap Bitcoin for Ethereum, Ethereum for Bitcoin, and a few other tokens, okay? So the first thing you need to do before you swap anything is make sure you have your crypto wallet, make sure you're signed in, make sure everything there is kosher. I use MetaMask. I'm going to put all the links down in the description for you just so it's easy for you to find. I use MetaMask and a few other ones. If you're going to really invest in crypto, you should have several wallets. But the main wallet I use is MetaMask. It's the most popular. It connects to the most exchanges. It's a Chrome extension. You can watch my other video, how to install MetaMask to your browser to get this done, okay? So here's PancakeSwap, and there's a few things I want to point out right away. The phishing warning, okay? Even PancakeSwap themselves say make sure you're at the right URL, all right? When it comes to cryptocurrency, there's a lot of scams out there, and there's a lot of people that are waiting to snatch up your money or your NFTs or whatever it may be. So always make sure you're at the right place. Always make sure you're trading the right token. And we'll kind of touch on that, how to make sure you're doing that as well. I don't want this to be a long video, so like I said, we're just really going to talk about the exchange. So first of all, make sure you're at the right place. Next, I'm going to connect my crypto wallet. Like I mentioned, it's MetaMask. All right, so once you have your MetaMask or your wallet connected, you will see the last 4 digits of your address here, and you can hover over it to see the whole thing. I could visit my wallet. I can see my transactions. I can visit my NFTs. I could do all of that. PancakeSwap now also allows you to yield farm, which is really cool. It also allows you to create liquidity pool tokens, which is really cool. That's for another video. If you want me to go over that, drop it in the comment. And if we have enough people that want it, I will make it for you. Essentially, farming and liquidity pools and all that stuff, people in the crypto space call it money printers. And again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just showing you how to use PancakeSwap. But like I said, that's a whole nother video, okay? So once my wallet is connected, and I'm sure you're wondering what this number is right here. This number is how much the PancakeSwap token is worth right now. So the PancakeSwap token, if you're trading cake, is $4.53. Okay? So like I said, I'm going to show you how to swap Bitcoin for Ethereum. I'm going to go over here to swap. And right here essentially is the exchange, okay? So what I want to try to do is swap my Bitcoin. Actually, what we'll do is, since we're already here, I'll swap my Binance token, my BNB. Not all of it, but let's just say 0.1. All right, and let's say I want to swap it for Ethereum. I'll type in Ethereum, and I'll find it on the list very slowly. Right there, Ethereum token. I'll click on that, and now it will allow me to swap 0.1 Binance BNB token for 0.015 Ethereum, and essentially 0.1 BNB token is worth 0.015 Ethereum. I'm not sure what that is in dollars. You can easily look that up though by going to CoinGecko, typing in Ethereum. There, I'll just show you, might as well. So I'm going to copy this balance, And keep in mind, I'm not going to actually swap this, okay? Keep in mind, all these numbers are just for example purposes. All right, so I'm going to go to CoinGecko, and again, I'll drop the link below. So it's already on Ethereum because I look at Ethereum a lot. You can scroll down, and right here you'll have an Ethereum to USD calculator. Paste that in, it's 30 bucks, okay? Or let's say you want to know what the Binance is worth, so I'm going to go to search. I'm going to type in BNB. All right, there it is. I'm going to click on that. And same thing, you can scroll down to the calculator, and what do we put in? 0.01, and that comes out to, no, we put in 0.1, and that came out to 30 bucks. All right. On CoinGecko is where you can find the coin address. Okay, over here on the side, you have all the information you need to actually have the coin address. What I like to do is, if I'm part of the community, I will go in the community and I will verify the coin address before I start trading anything. All right, so essentially that's it. That's PancakeSwap. If I want to swap the BNB for Ethereum, then I will hit swap. I will check the fees. I will go back to CoinGecko and I will check how much those fees are actual. And then if everything looks good, I will swap the token and I will have, at the end of the day, $30 worth of Ethereum in my wallet. Then some exchanges don't exchange certain coins because of the network they're on. Okay, so keep in mind, right now I'm on the Polygon network, so that if I do this swap, my Ethereum will most likely end up in my wallet under the Polygon network. So that is pretty much PancakeSwap in a nutshell. That is its main use, is the exchange feature. PancakeSwap runs on the Binance network, so make sure to add that network to your MetaMask wallet before you try to connect to PancakeSwap. There's other exchanges out there that connect to other networks so that you can then swap different coins, you know, and it's just very, very, very deep, okay? This is, like I said, in a nutshell, okay? If you have questions, ask me below. I'm happy to answer them for you. I will put a link below of how to add your the Binance network to your MetaMask wallet so that when you connect, you'll connect flawlessly. Also, the reason I wasn't able to show you how I could swap Bitcoin for Ethereum, well, I was able to, but it's Bitcoin on the Binance network. I don't have any Bitcoin on the Binance network. You could do that through bridging. Again, another video. But again, I showed you how to swap the Binance for Ethereum, and you could do it the other way around. It's just whatever you have first is what you're trading for whatever you have second, okay? If I want to trade Ethereum for Binance or BNB, I can do that by swapping these, putting Ethereum up here and putting BNB down here. Okay, so that's how it works. Whatever's at the top is what you're swapping for whatever's at the bottom. Okay, I just want to make that clear. Again, if there's any questions, just ask me below. If I need to, I'll make a more in-depth video for you. I just didn't want this one to be too long. So I really hope that helped you understand PancakeSwap a little bit better. I'm sorry I wasn't able to show you how to swap Bitcoin for Ethereum like I mentioned earlier, but I was glad I was able to show you how to swap Binance BNB, at least for Ethereum. So at least I showed you something, right? Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow. Make sure to share this with your friends if they have any questions regarding crypto, or in this case, PancakeSwap. And I appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next one.